who the fuck cares? As long as you like yourself, right?
Yeah. I mean, yun yung bare minimum, right? And then people who you like will resonate.
Pagtingin mo sa sarili mo sa salamin, parang
Be proud.
kung okay ka, okay na yun. That's
You love yourself when you look in the mirror and like, solid ako.
Yeah.
I like
cool.
me.
Ito ba yan? Ang pangalawa pa dyan, kahit ayaw nila lahat sa'yo, galit sila lahat sa'yo, and may sinasabi sila about you na alam mo na hindi totoo. But you know for a fact that okay ka, malinis ka. And hindi lang ikaw.
Yep.
Yep.
That's true.
That
That's
one
true.
Agree.
entity sees it.
Yeah.
True.
Someone out there also
Someone
will know
out
the
there.
truth.
Someone up there bigger than you
Knows
and me.
the truth.
Yeah.
Knows the
Knows the
truth.
real
Nakikita
you.
na naman yun eh.
Yeah.
True.
I mean, mas maganda nga naman to be yourself, and for sure some like you, some don't, versus you're being someone you're pretending to be pero like ka na lahat. Diba? Medyo bitter taste yung parang pumepeke ka just to be liked.
I would never.
Yeah, right?
Kaya nga, I would never try to dare do the trending stuff. Joy, she asks me.